So, you want to learn how to swim traffic, like License or Squeeze Benz, our heroes, our idols, the guys we all wish we could be, but obviously, we can't, because real life has consequences. Let's begin. The first step to becoming like them is basically to go to a racing simulator store. You need a simulator, steering wheel, pedals, cockpit, because if you can't control a car in a video game, what makes you think you'll be able to do it outside? Exactly is nothing. Then you have to buy Assetto Corsa and install mods. Open Assetto Corsa, join a no hesi or fly server, and crash for the next 3 hours. Congratulations. This is normal, and you must learn from your mistakes. Step 2 is to study NPC traffic in Assetto Corsa, and also in real life with videos from License or Squeeze. Learn to move smoothly and without any collisions. Okay. Never crash. Step 3 is to start slowly. If you have your own car, use it, and if you don't, well, maybe you can use your dad's car. But you'll have to come up with a good excuse, like going out with friends or asking a girl out. You know, something normal so they don't think you're using it for illegal street racing. Now that you have a car, it doesn't matter what kind of car it is, whether it's old or new. The important thing is that you have a car, and that brings us to the next step. Step 4, head to the highway, as it's the easiest place to start, and ride without exceeding 160 kilometers per hour. You'll gradually gain confidence, and then it's just a matter of practice. It would also be better if you could get a group of friends to go out with you. And the last step, which should have been the first, obviously, hide your identities with masks and also buy something to cover the license plates. There are new technologies to obscure or censor license plates, so I think that's it for now. I hope this has been useful. It would also be a way to earn money, a lot of money, to buy cars like the License and Squeeze Benz. See you later, and don't forget to like and subscribe.